Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and I'm going to be making CopyCat Wendy's chili. Now for the sake of time today, I'm going to be introducing the ingredients as we put them in, but you can always find a nice long list of them in the description of the video. I'm going to start off with 2 pounds of hamburger, browning that up. Once this is almost all brown, we're going to want to drain it. Just a note, while you are browning the beef, we are trying to make the pieces of it as small as possible. So, actively chopping it up while it's browning has worked for me. Alright, let's get the rest of this together. Right, we've drained the beef. It's still smaller, pea-sized pieces. And into that, I'll be putting a medium diced onion, a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 15-ounce can of pinto beans, 16-ounce can of kidney beans, 3 tablespoons of chili, 2 teaspoons of salt, a teaspoon and a half of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of cumin, and a small can of mild chilies. Give this a good stir. Last but not least, before we put the lid on, put 2 cups of water. If it's looking like it's too thick, you can always add another cup at a time, but for now, we're going to be cooking this in the crock pot low for the next 5 to 6 hours. Alright, this has been cooking for 6 hours. Looks amazing. Actually looks way better than Wendy's chili. So you know the drill. Let's try it on out. Alright, best part's here. You gotta try the chili out. So, get a little bit of everything. Let's go. Well, I can say that this tastes a lot like Wendy's chili used to taste. It really doesn't taste like the stuff you get now, which is actually fine by me. But it does have amazing flavor, a little kick of heat to it, not big. I think this is an amazing chili to make, even if you're not thinking that it tastes like Wendy's. CopyCat or not, it tastes amazing. I can just imagine it if I put a little bit of cheese and sour cream on it, which I might do in a little bit. So if you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know the drill. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I will see you in our next one.